Hi, John here. Today we're going to continue to talk about the thesis. Last time we talked about what thesis is. Today, in our lecture today, I'd like to talk about how thesis can be made, how you can create your own thesis. So let's start. So thesis 2, how to create your own thesis. So today we're going to learn how to create your own thesis basically. So we're going to learn how to create thesis by using these 3 steps here. All right, so we need to just follow these 3 steps in order to formulate your own thesis. So first, find the topic, okay, of your paper. And second, write down the main idea of the topic, okay. And third, turn it into an opinion. We're gonna use this example to create a step-by-step thesis together. So Susan is in the 5th grade. She has a gym class every other day. By the end of the days, she has a gym. She's very tired. But she notices that after a gym class, the rest of the students in her class are very quiet. They pay close attention to their teacher and their classwork and do not talk out of turn as often. So first step 1, we need to find the topic, right? So we highlight the, I highlight the keywords here. 5th grade, gym class, after gym. So as you can see, the word gym has been repeatedly used in the example. So the topic is gym class in 5th grade. There could be other topics, but this one we have here, gym class in 5th grade, also works fine. Step 2, write down the main idea. 5th grade, she has gym class every other day. So this could be a main idea. So main idea is gym class is important to 5th graders. Why? Because Susan she has gym class every other day, which shows that it's not just one time thing, or it happens over and over. So we assume that to Susan, gym class should be important, not just Susan but other 5th graders as well. So gym class is important to 5th graders. Again, other main ideas could be made, but this is one we suggest. Step 3, turning into an opinion. So the rest of the students in our class are very quiet. They pay close attention to their teacher and their classwork and do not talk out of turn as often. So the opinion we suggest is all elementary schools should have a gym class because it cultivates more productive students. This is the opinion we suggest. Again, other opinions could be made, but this one should be a very plausible one. Again, there is a because clause here which shows the reason for the statement. The statement here. So all elementary schools should have a gym class. Why? Because it cultivates more productive students, as we know from the example here. Okay, so now think. Great job so far. Now that you have your thesis, but think about these things before we finish. First, what would a friend say who disagrees with you, or agrees or disagrees with you, right? How would you say? What do I say to them? Does my thesis make sense to me? Or does it make sense to you or other people? Why or why not? So these are some of the questions that you might want to address, after coming up with the thesis, just to make sure that you fully understand what your thesis is. Doing so, you can definitely make it more plausible for the readers as well. Otherwise, the readers might be confused, not exactly sure the intention or the meaning behind certain words or phrase. Okay, all right, so that's it for guys today. Thanks for watching today's lecture, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, cheers.